Hello everybody! Today we're going to unbox and take a close look at the Nike MX90. So let's first take a look around the outside of the box. So in this box is a pair of Nike MX90 shoes. And this pair is in the men's UK size 8, US 9, Europe 42.5, Brazil 40.5, 27 cm, and it's also in a women's US size 10.5. And this pair is in the neutral grey, twir yellow, obsidian, speed red, white colourway. And the style is IF 0670-001. And now let's go ahead and open up the box by lifting up the box lid. And let's peel back the packing paper to reveal the Nike MX90 in the neutral grey, twir yellow, obsidian, speed red, white colourway. Let's lift out the left shoe first and take a look at its details. So it's just saying the box on the left hand side of the tabletop and giving you a look at the shoe straight out of its box. And let's do a 360 rotation so you have the full and clear initial look of the shoe before we take much closer in looks at its details. So now taking a much closer in look at its details, so we can see the overall two-tone colorway of the shoe with a light upper and darker lower portions of the shoe from the mudguard down. So with the upper, we can see in that neutral grey, with that neutral grey vamp for the toe box and very fine perforations in the leather for the panel in the toe box. And contrasting against that is this coarse suede middle panel, and for the overlay being the outermost section making up the mudguard is the obsidian leather panel or overlay, and giving you a look at the graining of that leather, as you can see the way light plays against its surface. So plenty of textures throughout with that matte finish or satin finish of the toe box vamp in that neutral grey, and then that coarse suede middle panel and the finely grained leather for the outermost overlay in obsidian. And of course we see black details or obsidian details for the mudguard, and of course with the sole in obsidian as well with that very dark blue. So moving along towards the middle portion of the shoe, you can see that high contrasting twir yellow Nike swoosh in leather, that fine leather graining as well. And of course we have the TPU elements forming the sections of the upper part and the lower part of the eye stay in neutral grey. And moving towards the back part of the shoe, we can see that speed red Air Max detail, and of course that weave-like effect in that mudguard cutout. And of course the MX90 Max Air unit cushioning that we can see very visible and right across the heel of the shoe. And we can see that in the structure it is red in color for the midsole foam within the Nike airbag. And now taking a look directly from the back or heel of the shoe, we can see once again the high contrast details of the styling or design of the shoe with the twir yellow on obsidian for the back tab, that rubberized back tab. And rotating back towards the inner side of the shoe once again with the obsidian midsole wedge, we can see that airbag structure in red, and of course once again that cutout mudguard panel with that carbon fiber effect, weave, and the speed red Amex detailing. Just tucking in the laces so we can see the other details more clearly. So once again, that tour yellow leather Nike swoosh, and the other elements with a very smooth leather for the vamp and coarser leather for the suede panel. Now taking a look directly from the tip to front of the shoe and slowly moving along its length towards the back so we can see the details right through from front to the back of the shoe. And then top down we can see the speed yellow Nike MX details on the grey tongue patch label. Of course, let's flip out and take a look on the inside details of the shoe. So we're going to flip out the laces and pull out the paper stuffing for a clearer look around the inside details, by giving you a look at the laces as well. So the laces are in neutral grey, but they do have the AM90 and swoosh branding in black on the aglets of the shoe, or shoelaces. And in terms of the padding, so typical puffy and soft and thickly padded Nike Amex 90 tongue. And taking a look behind, we can see the tongue label on the back, and of course the lining as well in Obsidian. And on this side, with the ankle and heel collar, in terms of the bolstering or padding, it is thick with a light to medium level of firmness to it. And giving you a look at the composition sticker or materials label right there on the insole of the shoe. You can see that the insole or sock liner is in Obsidian as well, with the AM90 design on it, partially obscured by that composition sticker. But we'll have a better look on the other side, on the right shoe side, in just a moment, but giving you an overall look at the shoe. Now taking a look at the bottom or sole of the shoe, so it does have a rubber waffle sole in Obsidian, or this very dark purplish blue, giving you a look at the details along its length and the traction pattern. Now just dragging my finger along its surface and tapping my fingernail on it as well. Now let's do a flexibility bend and twist test with my hands to give you some sense of the shoe's firmness, stiffness, pliability or softness. And now just stretching and straightening the shoe back in shape. And now let's take a look at the right shoe. So setting the left shoe down and in the background so it doesn't interfere as we bring the shoebox back in frame. And just to give you a look as well, so the shoe does come with an extra set of laces, and they are in Obsidian and have the contrasting speed red AM90 and swoosh details on the aglets or lace tips. Okay, so I'm just going to pop that out to the side and lift out the right shoe for this Nike MX90, and just setting the box back on the left hand side of the tabletop. So now giving you a look at this right shoe, and of course we're going to do a 360 rotation with this side as well for that full and clear initial look. And what I'm going to do is move the laces across to the left hand side of the tabletop so it doesn't interfere as we take a look at the shoe in the foreground. So now taking a look up closer, once again we see the overall contrasting details that really emphasizes the silhouette of the MX-90 with that light colored upper, and then from the mudguard or mid portion down to the sole is in that obsidian or very dark purplish blue. And of course accented with the speed red and tour yellow detailing, and of course the various materials with that slightly distressed leather for the outermost or topmost overlay or panel in obsidian, and then we do have that coarse or short nap suede, and of course leather for the collar and vamp of the shoe. Of course giving you a look at the back once again, those contrasting details for that rubberized back tab, and back towards the outside again, and we can see that speed red structure within that visible Max Air unit cushioning in that midsole wedge of the shoe. Now taking a look at the tongue and of course at the inside details as well. So once again the back label on the tongue as well as the insole or sock liner details. So we can see the Nike MX-90 details in that retro 90s style print in red and white on that obsidian sock liner. Now taking a look at the sole or bottom of the shoe, once again obsidian rubber waffle sole with the flex screws and the overall block and slat traction pattern. Now let's take a look at the shoes together side by side. And from the front to the back. Directly from the back. Top down. And the bottoms or soles of the shoes. So that's Nike MX-90. Thanks for watching and happy walking.